Welcome back to Formula Performance, guys. Hope everyone's doing good. Had some journeys on the Black Betty truck and ran into a couple of hiccups. Out in Pennsylvania, I was filling up and made the mistake of using the gas cap to help the gas continuously flow. However, in PA, the gas already continuously flows because there's no lock on them. And the gas tank overfilled and unfortunately caused something to go wrong pretty bad in the filler mechanism. Every time I've tried to fill it up since, it's been gurgling and not filling up. I haven't been able to put more than 10 or 15 bucks in before it starts to overflow. So we're going to start diving into it, just try to do a little diagnosis, see what's going on, and see if we can fix it. I had started and overfilled the tank and had fuel spilling over. Every time I put gas in, after I get to a couple of gallons, again it starts sputtering and filling up around the gas tank and kind of coming over. If anyone else has had similar kinds of issues with these Grand Cherokees, please let us know in the comments so we might be able to share experiences. So far, we were able to remove the vent hose with the clamp and was able to use some compressed air pushed into the tank, and we think we released the ball valve. There's a check ball valve in the tank system. However, there's the purge solenoid is located further up. So knowing that we dislodged the ball for now, we're going to check it, fill it up with some gas and see what happens. But again, if anyone else has had similar issues, please let us know, and we might be able to help solve the problem with Black Betty.
Okay guys, this is the vent hose into the tank. It's disconnected here from the metal filler. This is the filler hose. We put some compressed air down the vent hose, down the main hose, and when you put some compressed air down the main hose, that you're going to feel like a check valve or a check ball in the tank move. We hope that the check valve was a little bit stuck and that was causing Zach's issue for the overflowing. Also, there may have been an obstruction in this vent hose.
Thanks everybody for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Again, any info in your comments would be appreciated. We're going to let you know what's going on with a quick follow-up on the tail end of this video to see what happened. Thanks again. Talk to you soon. What the fuck am I supposed to say? Welcome to fucking Formula Performance.